In this video, we're going to talk about how we can create a method for our class. So far, we've seen how to add attributes. As we mentioned earlier, objects are also comprised of behavior known as methods. For example, we want a person to speak hello. For that, we're going to create a method. Next, for creating a method within a class is the same as defining a method, or we call it function, outside the class. We use a def keyword. So let's press tab, and I'm going to start by def keyword. Let's name our function speak, and it will take self as an argument. And within the function block, we can write print hello. Let's create a new instance from person class, and then we will call a speak method from that instance. We're going to define Jack equal to person, and we need to define the name for that. So I'll say Jack, age 35. Create the instance from a person class. Now that person class has a speak method. Now Jack should have a speak method as well. So I'm going to call that by typing jack.speak. Save the file, run the code. We can see on the run, we get hello. Now I would like to say a function speak to tell me the name of the person. So what I can do is I can add formatter here. So I'll type F, and then within hello, I will use this curly braces, and I can say self.name. Save the file, and now I'm gonna run the file. Now it says hello Jack. Similarly, we can create a couple more instances. Let's say Jill equal to person, and we name that as Jill, age 25. Let's create another one. I will name it Aisha equal to person, and we'll say Aisha is a name, age is, let's say, 15. And now I'm going to call some functions on Aisha and Jill as well. So we say jack.speak, say jill.speak as well, and Aisha.speak as well. Save the file and run it. Now it says hello Jack, hello Jill, hello Aisha. As you can see, we can use the speak function or method to tell us the name or greet the person. So you can see that this is in every object that you create from a person class. You can also pass in arguments to instance methods. Now let's take a look at how we can do that. Just like init, which is a constructor function, we pass in name and age. We can also pass in arguments within our speak method. So after the self, I'm going to type comma, and I will say word. And then I will just say word instead of self.name. Let's go and call these on Jack. And I say jack.speak, and that will expect a word. In string, I'll say I'm saying this. I'm going to save the file and run the code. Now it says hello, I'm saying this word. Now if I change some letters here, let's just say I'm speaking, run the code. Now I can see there's a I'm speaking, that's what getting printed out. Now you can see you can pass in an argument to the instance method as well.